In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the foil and cutters on many of the Panasonic shavers. On this model, there's a couple buttons on the side that you'll press to detach the top, just like when you clean it. To remove the foil from the frame, which you'll need to do, you'll squeeze on each side here slightly while holding the frame at the bottom, and the foil will come detached. You're going to reuse this part. The cutters, they simply pull straight up and they will detach. And to put them back together, your new cutters will just snap back on like so. Your foil, you'll snap it into the frame, and then you'll return it back to the body of the shaver.